Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the keyboard model uses a 2.4 GHz dongle and that the keyboard has power. This prevents needless pairing cycles. Once done, insert the dongle directly into a rear or primary USB port so the radio has a clear line of sight. Make sure to remove nearby metal or crowded hubs because interference can block initial handshakes. If drivers are required, plug the dongle first. Then let your operating system detect the device before moving on to pairing. You now initiate pairing. Press the keyboard's pairing or power button until the LED blinks, which signals discoverable mode, because the dongle needs that handshake to map keys. On Windows, open Devices and Printers or Device Manager to confirm the receiver appears. On Mac OS, check Bluetooth preferences if applicable. Once the OS recognizes the receiver, follow any vendor prompts to install drivers or software for advanced keys and firmware updates. This step ensures stable mapping and full feature availability. Finish by typing through all keys and using media controls so you verify correct layout and function. This confirms both low-level input and higher-level driver mapping. If you experience dropouts, open the vendor app and check for firmware updates because timing and antenna firmware fix many issues. If the keyboard remains unresponsive, reinsert the dongle, reboot the computer, and try a different USB port. These quick actions resolve most problems. If still failing, try the dongle on another device to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.